Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. So here we have uh, the text, and the text direction for the text is what? Uh, Here we have a question or a set of questions, and we need to choose the best answer to each question on the basis of the text given above. Right. Well, uh, I have already made you understand this particular text, and I hope that you have gone through the text and understood like what this text tries to tell. Yet, if I talk about the text talks about nothing but um, the common plot devices and stated about variety of characters in the plot devices, where it discusses the main or the protagonist of the plot is nothing but the MacGuffin, and it also talks about other characters like Das Ex Machina, and you also find out it gives the idea about Agatha Christie's books. So ultimately, if you talk about it, is an expository text. The style of the text is expository, so, and the tone is simply explanatory as well as in a neutral basis, isn't it? Well, let's move to the question. The question point out here that according to the passage, Deus Ex Machina can be best described as what? Now, if I look into the first option said a Latin name for a mechanical device that lowered supernatural characters on stage for easy resolution of tragedy plays. Right? A Latin name for mechanical device that lowered supernatural characters on stage for easy resolution of tragedy plays. Is that the meaning of Deus Ex Machina? Now, look into the option 2. Two plot devices comprising a supernatural character introduced in the play at the most tragic moment and a mortal protagonist leading to a happy ending. Is it? Now, moving to the third option, it is an incredible resolution to a story. Um, you can say that brought about by the sudden interaction of a new character. And the fourth option stated a plot device supported by Greek tragedians who used it to resolve conflicts in plays that did not have well crafted plots. Now, if I look into the kind of a question that according to the passage, the sex machina can be best described as. So here we find out in the first, second, third, third paragraph or fourth paragraph where it is stated about the sex machina is used to refer to a narrative ending in which an improbable event is used to resolve all problematic situation and bring the story to generally happy conclusion, right? So it is a Latin phrase, the sex machina, has its origin in the convention of Greek tragedy and refers to a situation in which a mechanic or crane was used to lower actors playing a god or gods onto the stage at the end of a play, isn't it? So we find out it's in a fourth paragraph. Now, if I talk about on the basis of the options, so option one cannot be the means correct answer since it is only a narrow definition of what does X machina point out. So we can get the kind of a region that called as a narrow definition, right? Narrow definition. So the term now has come to mean more than that. But option two also indicates what? Option 2 also stated two blood devices comprising a supernatural character introduced in the play at the most tragic moment and a mortal protagonist leading to a happy ending. So, if you observe the option 2 is also incorrect since it refers to two blood devices. What does it say? Two blood devices. They state, two blood devices comprising a supernatural. So, since it refers to two blood devices, therefore, means it is eliminated because it is not mentioned in the passage. So, in that case, option 1 and 2 are eliminated. Now, look at the option 3. So, option 3 is indicating about what? Uh, that an incredible resolution to a story brought about by the sudden introduction of a new character. Now, if I look into this one, and option 4, where it is stated a plot device supported by Greek tragedians who used to resolve conflicts in plays that did not have well crafted plots. Now, option 4 is also too narrow, right? Also too narrow. Why it is also too narrow? Because it is restricting the definition as for the paragraph 4, isn't it? Restricting the definition. Although it was coined by Greek tragedians, a more appropriate answer could be what? Now, if you look into the option 3, where it is stated an incredible resolution to a story brought about by the sudden introduction of a new character. So that can be called as an appropriate meaning or description of the sex machine. So hence, we could consider option 3 would be the most appropriate answer to the question, right? So option 3, since the plot device is characterized by an incredible or improbable event that brings about the end of the story. Hence, the correct answer is option 3. I hope you understood it. That's all.